Every piece of data you store in Redis lives under a key. In this video you will learn how keys and values work, what types are available, and how to name keys so your code stays readable and bug-free. Think of Redis as a giant dictionary. You hand it a key, it hands back a value. Unlike a plain hash map, each value has a specific type that unlocks a different set of commands. Here the key user:1 points to a hash value. The hash itself holds named fields. Choosing the right value type means Redis can operate on individual fields without touching the rest of the data. Run set to store a string, get to retrieve it, and type to confirm what Redis is holding. Notice the colon-separated key name. That pattern is a Redis convention you will see everywhere. When you review a pull request, check that key names are namespaced and consistent, that the right commands are used for the actual value type, and that keys is never called in production code paths. Keys are the address of everything in Redis. Keep them namespaced, know the type behind each key, and you will avoid the most common bugs reviewers find in Redis-backed code.